friends, good morning. Welcome to Maitri's kitchen. So today recipe is a very simple recipe. Today we are going to see how are we going to cook the rice in the electric rice cooker. This episode is specially for the beginners and the bachelors. So let us get into a step-by-step process and see how are we going to cook the rice in the electric rice cooker. This is our rice cooker. So this is the lid of the rice cooker and this is called the separator. It is actually multi-purpose. You can use it to either cook the vegetables or to boil the vegetables. It's actually multi-purpose. Today we are not going to use this. So along with that we have a cooking plate. We need to put this before putting the rice. This is mainly, it will absorb the starch at the bottom of the pan. And this is the actual pan where we are going to cook all the dishes. So this is how it is. So let me put the pan first. When you put the pan, it comes to keep on. Change it to cooking mode and please use the cooking plate so that the starch gets at the bottom. So now let us start cleaning our rice. The rice has been soaking for 30 minutes. So let me wash the rice which is already washed. Let me wash it once again and let's see what is next. Our rice has been soaking for 30 minutes and washed and kept. So let us add into our cooking pan. So I am just adding 1.5 cup of rice. I'll just show you the measuring cup, which is exclusively kept for rice cooker. So we have added the rice. This is our measuring cup. So this is our measuring cup. So I have taken 1.5 cups of rice in this. So we need to add 3 to 3.5 cups of water. If you want it very soft and fluffy, we can add 3.5 cups of water. Else you can stop with 3 glasses of water. So let me add the 3 glasses of water into our cooking pan. So friends, we have added the rice. As I said, we have added 1.5 glasses of rice. So for this we are going to add 3.5 glasses of water. So everything is kept ready. I am going to add little salt. So followed with our salt. We are just going to on the rice cooker so that it gets started. Yes, so everything is set. It will take minimum 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I am just oning it. Ensure it is in cooking mode. So it is already in the cooking mode. Yes, so the rice cooker is on. So let us wait till the rice gets cooked. So friends, our rice is cooked. The indication is the switch has come down to keep on. When we were cooking, it was in the red light. Now we have the red light on the keep on. So it means the rice is cooked. So let us off the switch and see the rice, how well it is cooked. Yes, you can find the rice is nicely cooked. You can find the rice is well cooked. So that's all. Our life is simple with the electric rice cooker.